everyone that coming to financial market has the same interest, is to generate a profit as maximum as it possible. But all those people, let's say traders, I can divide them into the two groups. Group number one, this is the people that constantly searching for some new trading strategy, methods, way, how to find this entry point with the higher accuracy and convert all their knowledge into the plus. And the second group, this is the people that trying to do the same to generate a profit, but in easy way. They messaging me every day with the questions, suggest me the Telegram group with high accuracy signals, or give me some indicators, especially with the narrows, where to buy and where to sell with the high accuracy. Or number three, like provide for me MQL5 signal that will help me to pass a prop firm challenge and generate for me profit in the future, or give me the trading bot with the maximum risk of 10% and monthly profit 20-30%. And I will open you the secret. They are losing money, this group number two, because of their unrealistic expectation. They are searching for the easy money, and financial market, it's not easy money at all. But the hero of our today's video, he understands that exactly. In one of our videos, I mentioned that one of our service is to creating trading bot based on your request or based on your strategy. He contacted me after that and he told me, I have some ideas, I want to convert them into the bot, can you help me or no? So in today's video, I want to show you the idea of this trading bot, the whole strategy, the technical task, and what we did and results of the backtest. So stay tuned till the end of this video, because in the end I will tell you how to get this bot for free. So let's start. If you decide that you are ready to create a trading bot, you should pass some stages, or there are some journey in general before running it on the real account. So first of all, there is the idea. I'll ask you, what's your idea and what's your logic in this trading strategy? Number two, this is the visualization. I will ask you, please send me examples with the screenshot where you want to trade, what you want to trade exactly. Then we are doing like a technical task. So there is the exactly rules, where to open, where to close, where will be the stop loss, the take profit. By the way, I will show you the technical task of this guy, and I'll put, by the way, even the link of this technical task in the description to this video, so highly recommend you to check. Then we are doing the coding. This is the main part from our side. Then we are doing the back test, checking on the history, because history, this is very powerful point where we'll understand is it working or no, because I'll show you in the future. There are a lot of the things that from the book should work perfectly, but when you're running on the back test, it's not working at all. For us, very important to understand, is it working on the history or no? After that, we are going for optimization. We're trying to find, by doing optimization, the best settings for every currency pair, because you know, all instruments is the same charts, but they are different volatility, different structure, gold is different in comparison to Dow Jones, different for the currency pairs, different for the Bitcoin. So because of that, we are doing optimization. And only then we are running on the live account if we satisfied with the results from the previous stages. And right now I will show you the idea of our customer. An idea was based on the fractals. So let me show you what does it mean fractals, what was the idea, and let's start. So the main idea of our customer was to creating a trading bot based on fractals. And before start talking about trading strategy, I want to explain you how it's working in general. So every candle has four prices: open, close, high, low. And what does it mean high? So this is the highest price that was during creation of our candle. If let's say we'll take H1, so 1 hour, during 1 hour there was the highest price. If we're talking about low, there was the lowest price. So what does it mean, these fractals? Fractals, this is the pattern that include 5 candles and the middle candle that in the middle should have the highest high. So let's say in this kind of option, between these 5 candles, this is the highest high, so that's why we have here the fractal. Also for the bullish, it's not correct 100%, but let it be like a bullish, and there'll be a bearish fractal. So during these 5 candles, among these 5 candles, it was the lowest low in the middle, so that's why we have a fractal here. Fractal, it's very nice and very versatile instrument, and the client was asking for 2 points. In the MetaTrader, by default, there is just from 5 candles, but what if I want to find some fractals based on 10 candles, 15, 3, 2, clients was asking, please make me some modified indicator what I will be able to use based on the fractals. We tell him, okay, we can do it for you, no problem. But what is the logic that all markets in general, you know, all market has 2 types of the movement. This is the trend, and we can say like range. So trend movement is just 20% of whole market, and like range movement, it's around 80. So this client was asking, I want something that will trade and be successful in both, or I can create 2 bots for the same currency pairs and trade 2 markets. So that's why he was asking, if the price doing some breakout of the fractal levels, I want to have an options, or my bot will trade based on my optimization and the backtest, or breakout, it means in this case he will open buy, or he will trade reversal, so in this case he will open sell. If for that kind, again, if the price will go down and will do the breakout, we have 2 options again based on our backtest. We can open sell if it's breakout, or if will be reversal, we will open buy. And let us go for the laptop. I will show you the technical task and what exactly we received by creating this trading bot. So guys, let me show you the technical task of this client. Link of it I'll put in the description to this video. I highly recommend you to check, because it will help you in details to understand the strategy. So general information in standard one, but there was some additional request from this client to give him an opportunity or an option to choose on how many bars these fractals will be built on, because as I told you, by default it's based on the 5 bars, but he wants to choose in the settings and also use it for optimization in the backtest, maybe 15, maybe 5, maybe 3. Position opening, this is the same that I told you. So when the price breaking the highest high in this current example, we should have 2 options how we can work. So maybe bot will open buy, maybe bot will open sell, we will trigger the reversal kind of trading. It also we will find later on optimization in the backtest, and then we will run it on the real account. If we are talking about position closing, there will be also some questions, you know, because what we will do if like let's say we are holding buy and right now it's showing for us reversal signal, should we close or should we hold? We also included in the settings of the bot. Later on I'll show you all the details. Position volume, clients ask it should be fixed. I really appreciate it in 100%. It will works way better than martingale and averaging. Regarding the stop loss was client was asking to put, let's say if current situation we are opening buy, we'll put the stop loss in the previous opposite fractal, in the lowest low. But we also recommend to him to include one more point. This is the stop loss and the take profits based on the ATR. You know, I think it's ATR, and ATR with the multiplier, it's very close to the market. By the way, one of my videos already explained, because I'm also using this kind of tactics of the risk management for my personal bot, so highly recommend you to watch this video. Take profit also is the same, you know, we also put him some additional option to put the multiplier. So let's say if our stop loss like 10 points, he can put the multiplier 2 or 3, so every time I take profit should be 3 times higher than my expected stop loss. It's also smart regarding the risk management. Or as I told you, he can put the option with the ATR. So we put in the bot varieties of different options that client can choose. Magic number and the comment, it's very important. This is the must, because this is how bot identifying his own orders. And let's say we can put even 5 different bots, version of the bots in one currency pair, and there will be no conflict at all, because we'll put a different magic number and the comments. Plus client was asking us to build like a graphic element, so he wanted to see exactly where is the fractal and why it's open position. And by the way, I think it's really nice because you can find a lot of the bots that are not showing like that, and for you like a regular customer it's difficult to understand. So this is it, guys. In general, I highly recommend you, even if you're trading manually, to create for yourself this technical task. It will help you to understand in the details how you are working, and for us how to create for you the best trading bot. So we'll pass the point of the coding because it will take like long time, and I will show you what we made and what is the results, what's the back test. And yes, so let me show you. So guys, as we can see, this trading bot after coding already is done and it's already in our trading terminal. And let me show you right now some inputs. You will understand how it's working. So for the beginning, fractal entry period, it's 9. As I told you, by default in MetaTrader, Fractal's building all 5 candles, and immediately here it's giving you chance to custom the strategy and to get something more, as I will show you in the results. The most important point is this trading bot position open type. It means how we'll open position. So the first option what I want to show you, this is buy fractal breakout, but you can choose, you see, breakout or the rebound. In some cases, what's the difference? Breakout, when it's like crossing the level of our fractal, we will trade following this trend. If we are trading, let's say, rebound, it's like against the trend movement. With the 002 trading volume, what about the stop losses? We will close the stop loss also by fractal. And very interesting point, because as I told you about stop loss, we can close it by ATR or by the fractal, and the take profit, it's also by ATR or by stop loss. What does it mean? Take profit by stop loss. So it means bot will calculate how many pips in this current situation we have a stop loss, and after that he will multiply on some like number. In this current like, by the way, in this current situation it's 0.5, so the take profit will be 2 times lower than the stop loss, but maybe in some options it will be 5 times more. It depends on your preferences, test and optimization. So and this is clear, I think, nothing else. So let us go for the back test. So I put for the gold because this client especially was searching some trading bot for the gold H1, but it can work on any time frame from 2023 until today's date. This is 19th of May, $1,000 starting deposit, and let me do the back test. We see how nice it's trading. So in this period of time it generates net profit $1,138 with the maximum drawdown with $296. So this ratio between the maximum risk and potential profit is 4.46. So you can generate around 4.5 times higher profit in comparison to maximum risk. But what I'll show you right now, I will upload another settings. And in this kind of case, in the same time, we will try to trade by fractal rebound, so opposite, you know. And let us run the back test, and we can see exactly it's also working with the plus. And what is the results? $1,000 profit with the maximum risk of $245, and the same, you know, this ratio between our maximum risk and our potential profit, it's 4 times more. So the main idea of the client was that I want to trade 2 markets in the same time. So I want to trade trend movements and I want to trade counter trend movement, and I think we did the job in the proper way, because as per backtest results, it's trading really nice. I didn't do right now some deep optimizations to find the best settings for a lot of currency pair, but even this option that I'm showing you right now, it's ready to run for the live account. So this is it, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. By the way, if you want to get this bot for free, customer accept, I can share it with you. Just what you need to do is to open an account in our partner broker company. You can easily use it on your live account, play with it, do optimization and make money. This is why we came to this market. And if you want to create the same trading bot based on your idea, please message me in my Telegram. Link of it will be also in description to this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you found a lot of interesting things for yourself, and see you in our next videos.